Wisdom work. With changing times, the workplaces are also evolving. And as Harvard Business Survey pointed in its latest article, wisdom work is the new knowledge work. But what is wisdom work in the first place? When traditional knowledge is integrated with three important things: deep understanding of the subject, ethical considerations, and sound judgment in the complex situation, what you get is wisdom. So, wisdom work is putting this wisdom to work. Simply that. Now, one may ask, why is this shift happening? It is happening because of three primary factors. First, complexity and uncertainty. In the modern business world, one decision can have a domino effect. Also, many a times business leaders need to make a decision with limited information. Because of this, the decisions are of complex nature and marred with high uncertainty. Second, ethical leadership. Today, even Mother Earth is also an important stakeholder for businesses. So when a leader is making a decision, he or she has to think from all aspects, including invisible stakeholders such as future generation and nature Mother Earth. Third, human-centric approach. The growing automation is looked as threat to the human jobs. Hence, elements such as empathy, understanding, and interpersonal skills become crucial. These three factors have forced organizations to go past knowledge work and care for wisdom work.